Based on feedback, some of you have said you thought it would be better with a calendar than just a check sheet. The HpyerDocs are kind of a check sheet. So I linked this calendar straight into the HpyerDoc. It is right here, day-by-day guidelines optional. So if you wanted to use this, you can see I got you right here. That's the video that you're watching right now. Good week. So we go through, it's just a rainbow design to make it look different than the HpyerDoc. It's a day-by-day. The Bitmojis follow the different days. So Mondays. Monday, we're just going to ease into the week. Go ahead and take a look at the pretest. That's it. Science class will be really easy on Monday. Tuesday, take a look at the video lesson. Now that we're into the second day of the week, let's get the ball rolling. You can see I got my little soccer ball. Take a look at the review of waves. It's a 15-minute video that's linked right here. Pay special attention to the skills that you struggled with on Monday in this pretest here. And then if you still want help, remember that there are drop-in hours on Tuesdays from 10:30 to 11:30, and that's linked right there to that Google Hangouts. Tuesday afternoon, if you are still struggling, take advantage of this extra practice. It says here that it is optional, but if you're still confused, go ahead and go to the physics classroom for a lesson with further explanations and practice problems. So like I said, Tuesday afternoon, kind of leave that optional. Wednesday, hump day, yeah. So you made it halfway through the week, go ahead and take a look at this week's practice. That is a required assignment on the original HpyerDoc. 3 equations in the labeling section. It's worth 8 points. It should give you an idea of what you need to look back at from the practice from up here. Friday Junior, aka Thursday, so Selection Sunday, Thursday. Think about which of the choice boards makes the most sense to you. Choice 1 is a quiz. Choice 2 is a lab with questions. You got to do the lab and then answer the questions. Choice 3, you design your own lesson. And choice 4, you design your own lab. If you're still stuck, remember there's drop-in hours on Thursdays from 2:30 to 3:30, so you can drop in on that day and ask questions. If you go ahead and get it done that day, that's fine. Also, it mentions here, because it's only Thursday, you could go ahead and try one, and if you don't like the score that you got or you don't like how it goes, you can try a different one on Friday. Don't get discouraged. So Friday, we got his official decision time. Choice is yours of how you are understanding things. You only need to complete one choice board option. If you're not sure, or if you completed more than one and you wanted to tell me, hey, Wayne, can you grade number 4 instead of number 2? Email me. This link here goes straight to my email. Your choices are back on the Waves choice board. I didn't put them into the calendar. I didn't want to make it confusing. And once you've done all that, mission accomplished. Have a good weekend. The science work for next week on earthquakes will be posted at 3:30. We don't have to look at it until Monday, so I just included a quick link to Google Classroom there in case you need it. That's your calendar. If you're more of a calendar person, hopefully that's helpful to you. As always, any feedback, definitely send me an email and drop me a comment in Google Classroom. I'll respond as quickly as possible. Thanks a lot and best of luck this week.